Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be swatching my favorite summer lipsticks. Now, everyone has a different summer lipstick. Some people love to wear neon bright colors, they love to wear peach, they love to wear really light nudes. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 bright colored lipstick, which you're going to see a trend, and I'm going to show you 2 glosses, which I'll be wearing this summer. So I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to go and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you guys can go and be a part of my family. I would love to have you guys a part of it. So let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I lied. I mean more like 6 liquid lipsticks or so. So this is the first one I want to talk about. It's the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Tea Rose. And this is what it looks like. I just love how this nude looks. This is like my perfect lip color. Like, this is my lips, but a little bit better. Like, it's almost exactly my lip color, and I love it. I love the formula. It's amazing. So I'm not going to go and swatch this one for you guys because it's already on my lips. I don't think I should. So, yeah, I mean, I will be wearing this quite a bit. This is, like, my new favorite liquid lipstick, like, shade. This is perfect. It's almost as good as Rebel Rose. Like, almost as good. So this one is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amalfi. Amalfi? I think that's how you say it. But this is a beautiful neon pink lipstick. I love neon pinks. Like, this is just calling my names with like a nice rose gold eye. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love pink. This does go on a little bit patchy, I've noticed when I've worn it, but oh my gosh, I love it. I love, 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 love it. I love the formula of Stila. They don't stay all day. They do transfer a bit, but I do enjoy the formula of these. Alright, so we also have this random one I got by Wish. It has no shade or anything. It's just liquid lipstick. But this is what it looks like. Oh, this is a lot darker than I thought. But I will be wearing that one too. It's just a really beautiful fuchsia kind of color. But I feel like in certain contexts, I feel like this could also be a really beautiful spring shade. That's for darn sure. But that's what it looks like right there. It's that one. Next we have Bocce by Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Bocce. Sorry. I definitely don't think this is like a summer. Not summer. This isn't a winter. It's like an all-seasoner type of thing because it can go either way. I just found myself wearing it more in the summertime when I first bought it, but that's what it looks like. It's more of a grayer version of this. Like, it's slightly darker and more gray, but it's still very beautiful. So I would recommend this color if you're like my skin tone or maybe a little bit darker. I think it'd be very, very beautiful as a nice nude in the summertime. Oh, and Rebel Rose is, of course, like, you can wear that one in the summertime too as well. Like, any season's fine, but these are like the ones that you probably wouldn't think that I'd be wearing throughout the summertime. Next we have right here is the NYX Liquid Suede Lip Creams, and this one is in the shade Pink Lust. Hold on. Okay, so it is in the shade Pink Lust. This is what it looks like. Now, this one is a lot more neon pink than this one. This one's more of a warm tone. This one's more of a cool tone. Like, you can see the difference when I go like that. There's a big difference. This one has a lot more blue, and it can almost pass as a fuchsia. This one is more of a typical burn your eye sockets kind of pink, which is also my favorite. This one right here is Jeffree Star's Prom Night, which is, they almost look like dupes with each other, to be quite honest with you, when I was swatching them. But that one is a burn your eye sockets pink. I mean, this one is so neon. I wore it with just like simple liner, simple mascara and brows, and I was like, God, I looked at myself in the mirror and I'm like, holy crap, this is too neon. I'm going to swatch the glosses because some of them don't really have much pigment, but the first one I'm going to be talking about is the Fenty lip gloss. You've seen me wear this. This is a universal, and I really do truly think this is universal. I would totally buy this, and the packaging is just, it's luxurious. It's a luxurious feeling. So I'll definitely be wearing this throughout the summertime. I'll probably be wearing it through any season. I'll also be wearing, most likely, is the Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss in the shade Rose Gold. I am going to swatch this one for you guys. But it's just like a really beautiful, obviously rose gold, But I wore it the other day in the video that I recorded, which I don't remember what video it was. But that's what it looks like. It just looks really beautiful. And I think that is like the perfect gloss for my skin tone. I think it's beautiful. Now, I gave one to my friend because we were like obsessing over rose gold like a while back. And this one didn't look as good on her. She didn't wear it. It was kind of like meh, meh. So I would say if you have a pink undertone, this would be best for you. If you have a warm undertone, I don't know how this would look. It may look strange, at least. At least that's my opinion. So you wear what you want, but that's just at least what I think. The next one I think I definitely am going to wear is the is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and it's in the shade Sparkling Rose. This is what it looks like. I can probably pair these two. I'm actually going to put some in the middle. And let's just watch. It just looks like it's a little bit of that. And that's what the color looks like. But that's what the color looks like. I think it's very, very beautiful. Doesn't go with this look. I'll probably wind up taking it off. But, you know, I don't think it, I don't notice any plumpingness of it. But I do definitely think it's a nice, pretty, everyday kind of gloss. So that's it with these picks. That's it, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.